minus, let me break it down. It's minus raised to power 3. This one is what? 4 raised to power 3 times u square raised to power 3, then times v raised to power 3. Simple. So this minus raised to power 3, that's minus times minus, that's plus, plus times minus, that's what? Minus. So now 4 raised to power 3 is going to be what? 4 raised to power 3.
4 times 4, 16, 16 times 4. No, 16 times 3, that's, I don't know, Sha.
16 times 3. 4 raised to power 3 is 64. Then u raised to power 2 there. So that means you multiply the power according to the law of indices I told you. 2 times 3, which is what? So raw 6, it was 6.
You have to start my face.
God will touch you. So v raised to power 3. So that's the answer. So minus 64 u raised to power 6. So that's the answer. So you have to put your mind, and then we'll be going into after this level. So number 5, please listen up. Minus c squared times c raised to power 4 all over minus c raised to power 5. Now, see, minus how many times? 2 times. Minus times minus plus. So c squared times then c raised to power 4. Then this minus how many times? 5 times. So minus times minus plus, plus times minus, minus, minus times minus again, plus, then plus times the last minus is minus. So like I said in the other previous class when you were not there, that negative of an odd number, we always give a negative answer. That's it. A negative, when the power, whenever you multiply it in the power of odd number, it will give you a negative answer. But if it is an even number, it will give you a positive answer. So just get that just get that concept like that. So minus c raised to power 5. So that is it. Now, this is where we now apply your indices. You know, they now have the same base. C raised to power 2 times c raised to power 4. So what do? We pick one of these, c, and then because it is times 1 raised to the power, we add it. So that is it. So that's 2 plus 4 all over minus c raised to power 5. So that's c raised to power 6 minus c raised to power 5. Don't forget again, what is the sign in front of it? It's still what? It's plus. So just like this is plus. So plus divided by minus is what? Minus. Now I've told you here. Plus divided by minus is minus. So that's minus. Then you now use the indices for this guy. So that will be c raised to power 6 minus 5. So what's your final answer? So your final answer is minus c. 6 minus 5, 1. And of course, anything is power 1 is still that thing. So the answer is minus c.
Yes.
It's as simple as that.
It's because of the.
You guys got it? Bro, you got that? Yeah. Alright. So that's simple indices. Do you understand? You understand? Or should I say the 6? Thank you. 2 into 1 over 4 raised to power 1 over 1 over 2. Very nice question, but simple. Very nice question, but simple. This is 2 over 1 over 4 raised to power 1 and a half. That's 4 times 2, which is what? 8 plus 1.
9 over 4.
We turn it from, we are turning it from mixed number. That's the simplest thing that you know from the basics. That's from the mathematical primary school days. We are changing mixed number to what? Improper fraction. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. So that's that. Then 1 over 1 over 2. This one 2. 2 times 1. 2 plus 1.
3 over 2.
So that's 3 over 2. Just turn into improper fraction. That's it. So and then now having done that, we have finished this job. Now guys, listen, because for some of you that were not in the last class, you understand that. So this is another law again, which we call it fractional indices. What did I call it? Fractional indices. So power keys, you got to listen. So that law, when I gave it to them in that class, a is power x over y. So anytime you have a value that has a fraction as the power, the denominator will become square root. I'm saying this so that you not go and be wondering that Mr. Medu has performed magic. This man must be a magician. I know performing magic. You see what I'm saying? Just not that. Just don't magic. Just looking like this man is performing magic on the board. Oh yeah.
How come we have this? No.
This one. This is a law. Anything they call law, you follow it. So anytime you have anything in mathematics that has fractions, see, we are just representing, it's just a representation. For example, in this question now, this A now is the same, is what A 9/4 is representing here. Why this x over y is the what? 3/2. So anytime you see it in anything you see, anytime you see something like this in mathematics, you turn this denominator to what? A root. So y root A, are you getting it now? Raised to power what? X. See now. So the power of this x here, sorry. So you can see this x that is the numerator here is what we have here. While the guy that is the denominator here is what you have as the root. It's the law. So I knew that if I did not interpret this thing or repeat it again, you might just think, being new in the class, you might just think that what is this man doing? This man is a magician. Is this man Professor Ella? I'm not performing magic. I'm only telling you what some great grandfathers, some of my great grandfathers have done before, and they gave this to us. You said, well, is it Mr. Fella that he's a magician? Okay, is he better on TikTok? No. That fella is learning. That fella is learning. We used to have a magician before. Young chaps of nowadays, you don't know that man. He used to be a magician. If he tell you that your cap should be moved from that place, that your cap will remove. Now, this guy here become square root of 9/4 raised to power what? 3. So that's it. It's according to the law. So, just continue looking. And life shall never remain the same again. Somebody shout hallelujah. So now the square root of 9, we will now find the square root. What's the square root of 9? The square root means that
3.
We are going to multiply 2 times, I will give you 9. So that's 3 all over. Square root of 4 is what? Is 2 raised to power 3. You understand that? That's the thing. So therefore, what's the square root of? Now this is power of 3 now. So this power of 3 we are taking the numerator and the what?
Denominator.
So that's 3 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3. So that's what's 3 raised to power 3? 3 raised to power 3 is
27.
27. That we are going to multiply 3 times 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. All over 2 raised to power 3. I've told you that it's not 6. It's 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to what? 8. Now, number 7. We're going to be clearing this side very soon. So, number 7, 4a raised to power 3. Then, please listen up. 3ab raised to power minus 2. So, now in this case, in this case, 4a cubed b times now. Listen and listen up. See, guys. So, this is minus 2. You can see that everything inside the bracket will be affected by the minus 2. Please listen very well. Now, but because of time, now there's a law. There's a law in indices. That's also another law. It's another law we're going to use here now. Anytime you see this negative power, it means something in indices. It means reciprocal. So that means that law says that. Where can I write that? But let me put it somewhere here. He said if you have a raised to power minus x, this minus will become 1 over. Become a reciprocal. A raised to power x. Are you getting me now? So this law is what we are going to be using here now, so that you guys will not think as though, or the new guys will not think as though I perform magic again. So this will be 1 all over. So this law here is what I'm using now. This minus becomes 1 over 3ab raised to power what? Raised to power 2. Simple. So you see that it is by the law. So that's the law. This is the law I used to do that.
So that minus is that minus not the minus.
You said?
Law of reciprocal.
Yeah, it's law of reciprocal. What do you say?
So like you don't put the minus 2. That minus
that's what I told you now. Is there any minus here again? There's no. Look at the law. This is the law I use. Just follow this law. This minus b, it was the one that turned to reciprocal 1. This is reciprocal 1. And immediately you have already turned this one to reciprocal. Must we put the minus again? No. It's as if you are still repeating. I mean, you want to change the question completely. So just follow this law. So this minus here has turned to 1 all over. Then you don't put the minus again in the power. So having done that, so from here now we have 4a raised to power 3b then times, of course, don't forget that this is going, this square now you can now open this bracket. It can now be 1 all over 3 square. You know this will be 3 square, a square, b square. I hope you know.
Yes, sir.
So 3 square is what? 9. Or should I write it? Maybe some people might not be thinking what happened. This is 3 square times a square times what? B square. It's as if you are opening